Imagine that you're trying to find unusual changes on the ground in a certain area of interest in Greece. In this example, it's a real estate development on top of a raised ridge area northwest of Athens. How would you do this today? Well, you'd start by firing up your favorite GIS and defining your area of interest, and then sorting through endless image files that are gigabytes in size, trying to see what's changed and which of those changes are normal and which changes are the ones you really want to see. This process is very time-consuming, expensive, and depends on error-prone human effort, which means that not all the critical anomalies are found, which can lead to costly mistakes. With Simularity's automatic image anomaly detection system, we use artificial intelligence to do all the hard work for you. Our software looks at historical images to learn what changes are normal, and then rapidly shows you which changes are unusual and highlights them in an anomaly heat map, as you see here. Then, all you need to do is briefly check the anomalies and confirm which ones are important to you. In a matter of seconds, our powerful artificial intelligence can help you find those critical needles in the haystack that you're looking for. Problem solved. Contact Simularity today for a free demo and consultation.